Welcome back everyone, daughter Eva and Hannah here today. Before today's video starts, I wanted to thank Joe Ordeza and Andrew Wachowski, I think those are how you say their names, for the license plates. In one of the most recent live streams, I said I was collecting license plates for my bedroom, and then when the building's finished, we're going to put them in the building. Yeah, Eva drove us to the P.O. box today to check the mail, and we got a lot of awesome mail from people all over telling us about themselves and sending us pictures. Wayne sent us pictures of the trees he has in South Carolina, and it's just awesome getting to know people. Someone sent Ty a little shovel that he's had for a while, and he said he saw Ty's toy shovel and he needed a real one. So just really kind, and it's awesome. Thank you everyone.
People that are always asking how much lumber I can saw before I have to change the blade on that mill. It kind of varies, but that last one, I got a lot of mileage out of it. If I had to guess, I'd say somewhere around 750 or 800 board feet, and I just changed it now. The key for me is to carry those logs out of the woods and not get them all covered in mud, and use the debarker, and I seem to get pretty good life out of a blade. Yeah, this stuff dries very fast. If you notice, this board right here has just a slight cup to it. I just flipped these over. I've been keeping this stack uncovered while the sun's shining, so it is drying really quick, but I definitely need more weight on it. What I'd like to do is get this stack up about, as high as I can reach. Then I'll put some 4x4s across it and maybe set a couple logs on top of it for weight. But everything else is staying nice and straight. And these ones, they'll flatten back out once I get some more weight on them. So Melissa already came back down, but before I go back to work, because I'll probably forget about what I wanted to say, I want to go over something with you guys, and this would be a great video for you to share, and you'll know why here in just a minute. But Kubota is offering a grant program, and you've worked with like grants before.
Yeah.
It's a long process.
It is.
You know, this is not like that at all. It's about a 10-minute process to apply. This is called Kubota Hometown Proud, and this grant program will award one community $100,000 in the use of Kubota equipment to complete a much-needed project in their town or city, which is awesome.
Yeah.
Now, there's one important feature of the program. The applications must come from a municipality, a city or town, or a 501c3. This could be anything, really, like a little league organization. There's nobody that watches these videos that's not either involved with something like that or knows somebody that is.
Right.
So share this video with them. The application process, they say, takes about 10 minutes, and it closes out on April 27th. So go to the link in the description and check that out and pass this video along to your friends and family. But that could really, can you imagine a small town, you know, or an athletic association? It could be anything, really. But yeah, fill out an application, share this information with your friends and family. But wouldn't that be something for a town? And it's been a rough year for people, you know, fundraisers and all that kind of stuff. This could really be a game changer for somebody. So
good.
Kubota Hometown Proud. I think that's really cool. We're not involved with it. We're just passing the information along.
Right.
But if somebody nearby wins, I'll go help them do whatever they're doing. So that would be pretty cool.
So share the videos so that we can get the word out to the right people.
Yeah.
That'd be great.
So don't forget. But anyway, I think that's it for that. We're going to get back to sawing. I was explaining to them earlier, this wood is going to take I have a schedule I've been working on the building thing, and I'm going to need this wood in about 8 or 9 weeks to do the whole inside of the garage. So I'd like to get most of it sawed this weekend. So right now, I'm going to quit talking, start sawing. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 with the edges cleaned up on it, and we'll have 4 more. We got a lot of lumber out of that one log there.
Yep.
So we were just talking. I have a rock pile over there. If you saw that last video, I'll put it up above if you didn't. We planted some grass last night, spread a bunch of topsoil in between the building and the road. It came out really nice.
Yeah.
And it was kind of funny because I was getting a little grumpy last night. We were hustling. I planted.
The wind started picking up, and
I got that food plot planted. Got home like at 5 o'clock. Got the food plot raked and planted. Came up, spread a whole bunch of topsoil, and used the excavator, the tractor. We used everything.
Yeah.
And got it all spread out and raked, and then hand raked it, seeded it, and we're trying to mulch it at dark. And wind started picking up, it's blowing a straw over the place. And I was kind of grumpy, and then as soon as I went in the house, we had a nice gentle light rain.
Yeah.
And I felt like an idiot because it was absolutely perfect the way it all worked out.
Yeah.
But that was a good evening last night. We got a lot of
Right.
stuff done. And like tonight, this isn't bad. I'm going to put another log on the mill right now, at least get started.
okay. It is a beautiful night. It was a beautiful day. It wasn't super hot.
Yeah. We were just talking. I've got, I don't know, just a bounce in my step since the weather has turned, and
Yeah.
that whole winter thing anymore, I'm telling you, you just get like ready for a nap,
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
yeah.
But it's much nicer
Kind of
now.
wears on you here in PA.
Yeah. But I think that's about it for today's video. Don't forget, check out that link in the description for Kubota Hometown Proud. Share this video with your friends, your family, but some organization is going to be really blessed by this. It's going to be a good thing.
Yeah,
you know?
and share it. And if you're the winner, be sure to let us know. That'd be awesome.
Yeah. So I think that's it. So like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends.
Thanks.
Thanks.